Thailand offers a lot for visitors to explore, but one of our favourite things about the country is the food. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share 10 foods you must try in Thailand. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, you have to try Pad Thai. Of course, Pad Thai was going to make it to this list. This noodle dish is made with egg, your choice of meat or fish, vegetables, peanuts, and a hint of sugar. This is a popular street food option here in Bangkok and all over Thailand and costs as little as 30 baht. Next we have Panang curry. These curries are delicious and make for a great meal with some rice. You will find these in many Thai restaurants and occasionally in food markets as well. If you are in Bangkok and you are looking for some of the best curries, we definitely recommend visiting Cabbages and Condoms. They have some incredible curries that you must try when you're in the city. Next we have meat skewers. Whether it is chicken, pork or shrimp, you can find meat or fish skewers all over Thailand. These can cost as little as 10 baht and are great quick eats in between sightseeing. Then we have som tam. This spicy papaya salad is a popular choice and again can be found everywhere. Just prepare your taste buds, this is one spicy dish. Next is one of my favourites, Thai green curry. This tasty curry is perhaps the most popular curry in Thailand, but make sure you ask for no spice if you can't handle chilies. Trust me, I have learnt the hard way. These curries can be a lot hotter in Thailand than green curries that you find anywhere else in the world. Then we have grilled shrimp. So Thailand has some of the best seafood in the world, so it is no wonder that the grilled shrimp tastes so good here. Get them plain, with garlic, or as part of your noodle dish, but either way you have to check out grilled shrimp whilst you are here. And if you are looking for plenty of food vlogs in Thailand, then make sure to check out my personal vlog channel where I share our life here in Bangkok. I will leave the link in the description below. Moving on, whilst you're in Thailand, you must try grilled pork and sticky rice. A simple but delicious dish. You can't go wrong with pork and sticky rice. If you are a little cautious about trying the local food, start with this dish, which is often priced around 40 baht. Next is another one of my favourites, chicken wrapped in pandan leaves. This dish is not found all over Thailand, but it is delicious. You can get sweet fruit and rice or different meats wrapped in pandan leaves. Our favourite is chicken. And another popular chicken dish is chicken satay. You can't go wrong with chicken and peanut sauce. There are so many street vendors and restaurants that sell satay, so make sure to try some on your next trip to Thailand. And why not finish your night with some mango and sticky rice? This sweet dish is perhaps the best dish to try in Thailand, especially if you have a sweet tooth. You can try this plain or with a side of cream or ice cream. And one last bonus item, you will either love it or hate it, but it is a must try during your time in Thailand. You can't leave the country without trying durian. This pungent and quite often foul smelling fruit can be found all over Thailand and is often paired with sticky rice. You can even find durian flavoured ice cream and cakes. Watch this video to find out the most beautiful places in Thailand. Then, to plan a trip to Thailand, watch this video. Have an incredible time in the country that we call home. Take care and stay creative.